Burna Boy, the only reason half the black people in America know what Afrobeats is. So I gotta hear this. Sweet Love. Talk to me, Burna. Oh, it's like a little slow jam. Ooh. Ooh, it's vibey.
I can shield your heart from danger. Want to be more than just a stranger. And if the stars align in my favor,
it's got reggae kind of vibe.
You and I stick good day, I want to give you love, sweet, sweet love. I don't wanna make no mistake. Got to get it right every time.
I like this chat. This gives me like back in the day, like when my parents, you know what I'm saying, when we didn't have rights and we had to, you know what I'm saying, we was drinking out of different water fountains, and they would have like the little speakeasies where they would go like to the jazz club, and they have the live people performing the songs, and they would be like slow dancing like to enjoy their night, because they know we was drinking, you know, polluted water, because, you know what I'm saying, it was the whites only water fountain, the black water fountain. This the type of vibe that this song is giving me, though. Definitely a throwback. I'm liking this. Crazy explanation, but those who get it, get it.
Feel my body lifted. Let my mind go drifting. Hold me in your arms tonight.
This ain't Afrobeat, though. This is more reggae. Caribbean.
Hope that at the end of the night, you're leaving with me anywhere that you want. I want to give you love, sweet, sweet love. I don't wanna make no mistake. Got to get it right every time. So I play my part to make sure that we survive.
Okay, Burna.
Giving you
that trumpet is killing it.
And I don't wanna act like I don't know.
That boy's singing from the heart. Nah, that trombone trumpet. Ooh, hold on, bro. Y'all don't appreciate music. Y'all don't get it, bro. Like, chat, y'all really don't get it, bro. This real music, bro. It's I'm so tired of the 808s bashing in my ears and hearing hippity hippity rabbit reap. I'm cool off that. This real music. That was hard.
Sweet, sweet love.
It's definitely a production song, like just vibes.
Sweet, sweet love.
Bring back the real vibe. Like, it's a vibe, bro. This was a vibe. This was a vibe, Burna. This was a vibe, Burna. I like that. That's a vibe. He's really going. It's like him and Tim's are like kind of getting out of the traditional Afrobeats drums. Like they're really doing different sounds, and I can respect that because they don't want to be just put in that box of an Afrobeats artist. They want to just be an artist. So I can respect that, honestly. I can respect that. Man does whatever he wants. That's called an artist. He's literally an artist. He's literally an artist. Love the reggae vibe. Yeah, this is very much a reggae vibe. Very versatile. I like this. This was a vibe. Shout out to Burna.